guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to use green screen effect on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. Here you create video for your TikTok. So here on the bottom left corner you can see this effect button. Tap there and you will see all the filter here. So this green screen effect are now trending, so you can find them in trending now. There are two green screen effect. One, this one, you can use a video on the background, and there's another one, this one, you can use a picture on the background. So I will show you both. First go and check the video one. So you can take a video from here, or you can browse from your gallery. A portrait video will be a better idea for this one because TikTok is portrait. If you are using a landscape video, you can rotate it, but for this let me choose a portrait video. Might be this one. It's a portrait. Yeah, this is a portrait video. I'm going to choose this one. Now let's hit next. Okay, as you can see, the background change, and because of light it's not proper. If you are having proper light here, this effect will be more better. So this is the video on the background. Now let's go and check picture. Okay, this is the picture. Likewise, let's choose a picture from the background. Let's choose a picture for background. Okay, let me choose this one. So as you can see, the background change. So this is it, guys. Likewise, you can use the green screen effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.